Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of 2-Minute Tutorials. Let's jump right into it. Today, I'm introducing the first part of my mini-series on color grading. Part 1, the color page. Looking at this page, and I can guess what anyone's first time here would be like. Overwhelming, to say the least. Anyway, let's start down the bottom left. At Camera Raw. This is used for editing raw video footage. As you can see, mine is all grayed out because I shot in C-Look. Next, we have Color Match. This is used to color correct using the color chart. The next 3 tabs are Primaries, High Dynamic Range, and RGB Mixer. They are used to adjust the majority of the color editing from lift, gamma, gain, and offset to the light and dark areas of your clips. The 6th tab is Motion Effects. Here, you can adjust noise reduction and motion blur. Next is Curves. This can be treated similar to tabs 3, 4, and 5. We'll cover that in a later video, along with the next tabs, Color Wrapper and Qualifier. These are followed by the Window tab. This one is very important with advanced transition effects. As you can see so far, each tab has its own use, and it will come in handy when the time comes. For example, you want to add an emoji that tracks your face. Then, the next tab, Tracker, is the tool for you. The tabs Blur and Sizing are pretty self-explanatory and not totally necessary, as these can be used from the Inspector tool in the Cut and Edit pages. Moving to the bottom right, we have the Scopes and Keyframes tab. And lastly, in the top right, we have the interface buttons, Timeline, Clips, Nodes, Open Effects, and Lightbox. As you can see, with a little bit of examination, it's not as overwhelming as what you might think. Anyway, that's all for today's tutorial. If it helped you in some way, smash like, leave a comment on what tutorial you want to see in the future, and hit subscribe to stay up to date with future tutorials. Until next time, peace.